Here's how to fix Lenovo Touchpad not working. First, check whether the touchpad was accidentally disabled. On your Lenovo keyboard, press Fn plus F10 at the same time. This shortcut switches the touchpad between enabled and disabled. After pressing the keys, look for the message indicating that the touchpad is enabled. Once you see that notification, test the touchpad again. If the touchpad still doesn't work, check its settings in Windows. Open the Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. From the left-hand menu, select Bluetooth and Devices. Scroll down and click Touchpad. First, confirm that the main touchpad switch is turned on. Then, expand the additional touchpad options by clicking the drop-down arrow. Make sure Leave Touchpad on when a mouse is connected is enabled. If the touchpad is already enabled and you're still unable to use it, try the Reset option in this section. If none of those changes solve the problem, open the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and launch it. Find Human Interface Devices and expand the section using the arrow beside it. Look through the list for your touchpad driver. It should have the word Touchpad in its name. If you can't find the touchpad entry, click View at the top of Device Manager and select Show Hidden Devices. Then check the list again. Once you've located the touchpad device, right-click it and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the removal by clicking Uninstall again. After the driver has been removed, restart your computer. When Windows starts again, it should automatically detect the touchpad hardware and reinstall the required driver. Once that happens, test the touchpad again. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.